History is full of secrets. Some of them are small and some of them are dangerous. But what if one famous queen was hiding something? Today, I want to tell you a story that sounds like a legend, but some people believe it might be true. Listen carefully and let's begin.
In English history, there is one queen almost everyone knows. Queen Elizabeth I. Strong, smart, powerful. She ruled England for almost 50 years. During her time, the country became strong, stable, respected. It was also during her reign that Shakespeare wrote many of his famous plays. From the outside, her story looks perfect. But when you look closer, some things feel strange, very strange. Elizabeth was born in 1533. She died in 1603. But during her life, people noticed something unusual. She never married. At that time, this was almost unthinkable. Kings and queens usually married to build alliances, to connect countries, to protect the future. But Elizabeth always said no. Then there was something else. She became bald at a young age, and she always wore wigs and heavy makeup in public. And one more strange thing, she gave strict orders that no one should examine her body after her death. Why? For centuries, people asked this question. And then, a very strange story appeared. In the summer of 1542, 9-year-old Elizabeth was sent away from London. There was plague in the capital, so her father, King Henry VIII, sent her to a quiet village called Bisley. She stayed in a house called Over Court. Two people were responsible for her, Lady Cat Ashley and Thomas Parry. They were her guardians, her teachers, her protectors, and according to one old and very dark theory, this is where everything changed. The story says that just before the king came to visit his daughter, Elizabeth became very ill, a terrible fever, and then she died. Imagine that moment. Two servants, a dead princess, and the king on his way. They were terrified. If the king found out, they would probably be executed. So they did something unthinkable. They decided to hide the truth. They looked for another girl in the village, someone the same age, but there were no girls like that. Only one child looked similar, a boy. He had red hair, he had pale skin, and he had played and studied with Elizabeth before. So they made a desperate decision. They dressed the boy in Elizabeth's clothes and waited for the king. Henry VIII did not visit his daughter often, and Elizabeth had always been quiet and uncomfortable in front of him. According to the story, he did not notice, or maybe he did not look too closely, and so the lie survived. After that, Ashley and Perry began to train the boy to walk like a princess, to speak like a princess, to live like a princess. It could not have been easy, but years passed, and the boy became Queen Elizabeth I. If this story were true, it would explain many things. Why Elizabeth never married, why she always hid her real appearance, why she once said something very strange before a great battle. I have the heart and stomach of a king, and of a king of England too. Maybe she meant it more literally than people thought. Ashley and Perry stayed close to her for the rest of their lives. She protected them, trusted them. Some people believe that a few ministers also knew the secret, but kept silent, for the good of the country. And then, another strange detail. People in Bisley sometimes talk about a coffin found in the village. Inside, a young girl, dressed in very rich, expensive clothes. Too expensive for a village child. Some say that was the real Elizabeth. So, was Queen Elizabeth really a boy? Most historians say no, the story is too unlikely, too risky, too impossible. But others say there's only one way to know for sure, by examining the Queen's remains. And until that day, this story stays where it belongs, between history and legend. And maybe that is the real lesson. Even the greatest stories in history still hide secrets.
So, was Queen Elizabeth really the boy from Bisley? Maybe we will never know. Some secrets stay in history forever. If you enjoy mysterious stories like this, stay with me and see you in the next video.